Want to move but worried about how to buy your next home before your current one sells? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions I get. I'm Marjorie Engel, and today I'm sharing 3 proven strategies that help my clients move seamlessly without getting stuck owning 2 homes. One great option is a bridge loan. This allows you to tap into your current home's equity to buy your next one before you sell. You can close on the new home, then sell your old one after you move out. It's a short-term solution, but it gives you flexibility and negotiating power. I work with several local lenders who specialize in these programs right here in Colorado. I work with one that specifically only charges a flat fee of $2,000 versus the large percents that some other companies are charging. Another option is post-closing occupancy. If you sell first, you can often negotiate what's called a rent back, meaning you stay in the home for a few weeks after closing while you finalize your next purchase. It's one of the easiest ways to avoid temporary housing and double moves. I handle this for my sellers all the time, and it makes transitions so much smoother. Contingent offers are still possible, but presentation does matter. When we make your offer contingent on selling your home, I make sure your listing is fully prepared, photographed, and ready to immediately hit the market. That shows sellers that we're serious and we're ready to go. Timing both sales can feel stressful, but with the right plan, it doesn't have to be. I line up closing dates, coordinate lenders and title, and handle all of the communication so you can focus on just moving. If you're thinking about moving, but the logistics are stressing you out, let's talk. I've helped dozens of families buy and sell at the same time, and we can create a plan that fits for your life. Call, text, or email me anytime. And don't forget to subscribe for more Colorado real estate tips each week.